to our YouTube channel. My name is Keira, and today I will be doing Alyssa's hair. Those are the products I use. Her hair is freshly washed. I'm just going through right now, putting a little grease in her head. That Blue Magic grease is the only, not the only, but one of the main sources of oil grease I use in Alyssa hair because it is not scented and it do not irritate her scalp. I don't know why, but Alyssa have really sensitive skin, and she have like really like her scalp is super sensitive too. So like since she was a baby, if I would put anything with fragrance in her hair, she would just like scratch until her scalp bleeds. But I love the Blue Magic. It's amazing. But yeah, today's style is a bunch of little twists. See, y'all, I'm not gonna even lie. This was a little hectic. It took not a long time, but I normally never put stuff like this in Alyssa hair, but it is definitely worth it because it lasts so long. Like, y'all. Oh, y'all hear her screaming at me? Okay, so back to what I was saying. This style lasts so long and it's definitely perfect because Alyssa will be going to summer camp this summer. So I definitely need something that will last long so I don't have to wake up every single morning and do her hair. So this style was absolutely amazing, you guys. I got it from my cousin Amber. Shout out to you, Amber. But Alyssa hair is really fine, so I did a little bigger parts. I feel like if your child hair, it's like a little thicker than Alyssa's, if you guys can tell. I'll probably, do smaller parts just so it can last even longer. But I had to do them a little bigger just because her hair is so fine. But it definitely was worth it. So I just parted through her hair and I made square parts. I didn't need them to be super perfect or nothing like that. But I put the rubber band on them and then I just combed it and twisted out, and that was it. I did try not to put the rubber band super tight. Like I said, I normally don't put styles like this in Alyssa hair because I'm not a big fan of rubber bands. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I'm just not a big fan of rubber bands in the child head for a long period of time, but this did not put her hair out or anything like that, so that's why I am definitely a fan of it. And yeah, like I did not put her rubber band super tight or anything like that. I wasn't really thinking about, okay, it have to be super tight so it can last longer or nothing like that, because I really did not want to pull her hair out or pull at her hair too much because, like I said, it is super fine. But yeah, I loved it. So sis was getting a little agitated, as y'all can see. She was like over it. So I didn't have her iPad like I normally will have when I'm doing her hair, period. But I just forgot. I don't know. I wasn't even thinking about having something for her to like watch or nothing like that. So I ended up having to give her a snack because, y'all, she was over it. She was like, "Mommy, you're taking a really long time doing my hair." She was crying. And y'all, make sure y'all have an iPad, a phone, something to entertain when y'all doing this out, okay? Just when you're doing hair, period. Because like I say, I normally always have her iPad or something like that for her to watch when I'm doing her hair. But after I gave her that snack, sis was good, okay? But I'm almost done, you guys. As you can see, it's coming out super cute, and I was so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking here. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Bye bye. y'all, I just have to say, Alyssa was eating the hell out this honey bun. And when I tell y'all, sis did not lose eye contact with this dang honey bun. Like, y'all, Alyssa is always so into her food. But oh my gosh, I'm just like watching it laughing. And I had to add that in. Okay, you guys, here's the finished product. It was super pretty. I was so excited. I'm definitely going to do this style again. The wait was definitely worth it. I'll just make sure I have our iPad next time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.